No. As I drew in my head and was turning around, it was like a retarded lighthouse. Down the chimney, St. Nicholas came with a bound. He's not a sumo wrestler, Jimmy. He was dressed all in fur from his head to his foot. He's not a streetwalker. Or a pimp, he's just all in fur. And his clothes were all tarnished with ashes and soot. Good, good. A bundle of toys, he had a bundle. A bundle of toys he had flung on his back, and he looked like a peddler just opening his pack. Can I have quarters? You can actually see Santa begging for change in San Francisco. His eyes, how they twinkled, his dimples, how merry. You look like you're going to ask someone to turn their head and cough. But a little more festive. Let's do it. His eyes, how they twinkled, his dimples, how merry. His cheeks were like roses, his nose like a cherry. His droll little mouth was drawn up like a bow. Yeah, do that, bitch. Come on. That's a bow? No wonder no one opens your presents. His droll little mouth was drawn up like a bow, and the beard on his chin was as white as the snow. Remember your face? White. The stump of a pipe he held tight in his teeth, and the smoke it encircled his head like a wreath. He's not laying off workers, Jimmy. Yeah, okay. He had a broad face and a little round belly. Bingo! No, you don't have to do it. No, stop. It didn't say he had a belly like a kumquat. It doesn't... He had a broad face and a little round belly. Perfect. That shook... No, don't do anything. That shook when he laughed like a bowl of jelly. You sound like an epileptic pimp. No. You're like a car with shitty gas in it. He was chubby and plump, a right jolly old elf, and I laughed when I saw him in spite of myself. There's always someone fatter to make fun of, isn't there? That's the meaning of Christmas. A wink of his eye and a twist of his head soon gave me the... It's like you have a secret to tell me that you have a nervous tick. Twist, not twitch. Yeah, you do that shit outside, you're gonna get taken away. A wink of his eye, he's not a pirate, Jimmy. He's not a pirate, right? A wink of his eye and a twist of his head soon gave me to know I had nothing to dread. He spoke not a word, but went straight to his work and filled all the stockings, then turned with a jerk. Notice which side got that quicker. Come on, act it out. Fill that stocking with a jerk. you one. He spoke not a word, but went straight to his work and filled all the stockings, then turned with a jerk. Well, now it is. Different story. And laying his finger aside. Okay. And laying his finger aside of his nose and giving a nod. He's not picking at Jimmy. I'm sure he's going for tissue at this point. And laying his finger aside of his nose and giving a nod, up the chimney he rose. He sprang to a sleigh, to his team gave a whistle, and away they all flew like the down of a thistle. But the down of a thistle, you know, like a dandelion. Think of a dandelion. That's where you give up. Let's try that, but less queer. You ready? He sprang to his sleigh, to his team gave a whistle. And away they all flew like the down of a thistle. That was very Las Vegas magician. I like that. But I heard him exclaim as he drove out of sight, "What the fuck, you cheap bastard! No, I don't see that in here, Jimmy. Let's try that again. But I heard him exclaim as he drove out of sight, "Mary? Mary! It's a holiday. 2 syllables. Okay. Mary! But the next... Yeah. You're not Bush. You can't do that. Paris. You want to say it together, Jimmy? I'll help you. In fact, you can all help us say this together. But I heard him exclaim as he drove out of sight, "Merry Christmas to all, and to all, good night." Bye. Jimmy Gunn, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great holiday. Happy Hanukkah. Let's get him some new wiring. Good night.
Joe Klosick and Jimmy Gunn, everybody. How about that?